Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and request a refund on Gumroad. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account. So go ahead and log in if you have not already. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From here, now we can get started. This is our dashboard from where we can get started with accessing all our info regarding our store, and we have the library option right here as well, where we can go ahead and access all our purchases. So let's go and take a look at how to get a refund. Here we have the official help center article on how to get the refund. So basically guys, when you buy a product from Gumroad creator, Gumroad can only process payments on behalf of that creator. So what you want to do, unfortunately, as you can see, they cannot issue an immediate refund unless the charge was fraudulent or duplicate. So you want to write to them if you have not heard back from the creator for more than 30 days since first contacting them for a refund, along with the proof of correspondence. And then guys, they're going to help you out. So they are going to reach out to them and will issue a refund if they continue to be unresponsive. So you cannot get an immediate refund, but you can request a refund, and if you cannot get it, then you're going to contact directly Gumroad using their contact page, explain what the problem is, bring your proof, and they're going to help you out and give you a refund, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.